Hey everybody, I'm back again, and this time I'm going to do more of a tutorial style. So I start with a moisturizer. This one was a sample I got from a Sephora order, I believe. And then I put some foundation on. I'm just using my fingers. I know a lot of people use brushes and beauty blenders, but I like using my fingers better. It's easier to clean up too. And this is a nude e.l.f. primer for my eyelids because I have very greasy eyelids and all of my eyeshadow would crease if I don't use the primer. So this is a Morphe palette. I'll put it in the description. It has a lot of nice shades, and I'm using a fluffy crease brush. I believe it's Wet n Wild. Keep in mind that wherever you put eyeshadow, where you first drop it on your face, that's where it's going to be the most pigmented, right? And then you want to blend it into the shape that you want it. So I went in with a smaller brush to add some more color and doing the inner highlight here with an even smaller brush. But then I go back in with the fluffier brush to blend it out because you want smooth blends typically. Okay, now here's something that I've struggled with because of my under eye. You see where there's a crease where my eyeball actually goes into the socket, right? And I was always so afraid of putting eyeshadow down there. I thought I was going to be emphasizing my creases, and I didn't want that, so I used to avoid the area completely. But now, as you see, I put the brown eyeshadow down there, and it actually rounds my eye better, provides a better shape up into the little corner that I was giving it. So I suggest going into those creases like I showed you. Try it out, see if you like it. So I just put on my mascara and it's all dry now, and now I'm going to use this under eye concealer, which says that it's creaseless, okay? And I use that little mister to wet my beauty sponges in order to blend it out. I'm still learning how to use that creaseless under eye concealer. I've been trying different techniques, and I think the wet beauty blender sponge and tapping it on my under eye really helped and maintained it for all day. So I think I'll continue doing that. I'm now also lightly setting my face with a translucent Sephora setting powder. I don't cake on the stuff. I've seen that happen a lot in videos. I prefer just using a fluffy brush and brushing it over my concealer, mostly my concealer, but then I kind of rub it all over my face because I think it helps blur my skin. But yeah, and this is the finished look. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Do what you want with your makeup. There's no strict rules, but there's some tips and guidelines depending on the look you want. So I hope I helped you out. Thank you so much for watching. Please follow, subscribe, and comment. Comments are my favorite. Thank you. Bye.